Private school teachers entitled to gratuity, says Supreme Court. Chhattisgarh CM sanctions Rs 500 crores for repair and maintenance of school buildings. CUET scores not applicable for the admissions into Delhi's university's certificate courses. LG seeks explanation for decline in enrollment and rise in absenteeism in Delhi government schools. Jharkhand teachers tied to a tree by students and beaten over allotting poor marks. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are. The Supreme Court has ruled out the private schools will now have to pay the gratuity to the teachers who have retired after 1997, upholding a 2009 law enlightening the private school teachers for gratuity from 1997. The Supreme Court invalidated the stay on its operation. A bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Bella M. Trivedi in their ruling said payment of the gratuity cannot be categorized as a mindful or a bounty payable by the private schools, as it is one of the minimal conditions of the service. Adding that it is a background, the argument of the private schools that don't have the pay capacity and ability to pay the gratuity to the teachers. All establishments are bounded to follow law, including the Payments of Gratuity Act 2009. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has approved a budget of Rs 500 crore for the repair and maintenance of the school buildings. The Chief Secretary has given the instructions to carry out the implementation of the same. To ensure the smooth education in all schools, the work of repairing of the school buildings should start immediately as soon as the rainy season ends. The Chief Minister has received the information about the condition of the school buildings from various villagers, public representatives and media representatives during the visit campaign meeting. Due to the lack of provision of sufficient funds for the repair of the school buildings, the academics of the students was being hampered since a long time. The approval of 500 crore towards the repair and maintenance of the school buildings is likely to solve the problem if implemented correctly. CET courses will not be applicable to take admissions in the certificate courses offered at Delhi University's Campus of Learning. Campus of Learning and Delhi Universities has been offering various professional and technical training programs and short-term certificate courses for nearly 2 decades now. Professor Umma Shankar Pandey, OSD COL Delhi University, said that for 2020-22 and 2023 sessions, COL was receiving queries about applicability of CUET for taking admissions in short-term courses, but the same is not applicable. The professor also said that the admissions in the certificate programs offered through COL are open to all Class 12 pass candidates apart from students enrolled in various colleges or universities, and those who have recently passed out the degree programs are also applicable to apply. Campus of Open Learning invites admissions in over 24 certificate courses that are offered in association with the industry training partners Bird Academy, MT Forum and RK Educational Group. On Monday, the Delhi Lieutenant Governor Office wrote to the Chief Secretary asking for the explanation for decline in enrollment and rise in absenteeism in government schools since 2014 to 2015, despite an increase in the expenditure towards the education. In the letter, the LG officer has mentioned the data from the Economic Survey 2021 to 2022 regarding the decline in the enrollment of the students in its schools and significant absenteeism of the students despite the expenditure on education sector increasing from Rs 6,145 crore in 2014 to 15 to Rs 11,081 crore in 2019 to 2020. The letter further states that as per the students, as per annum expenditure incurred by the government increased from 42,806 in 2015 to 2016 to 66,593 into 2019 to 2020. The number of students enrolled in government schools declined from 15.42 lakh in 2014 to 15 to 15.19 lakh in 2019 to 2020. It further said that the percentage of students attending classes in government schools has declined and the percentage of absentee has increased. The LG office has demanded an explanation on priority. In an incident in Jharkhand's Dumka district, a group of school students tied the teachers to a tree and allegedly beat them for allotting low scores, which led the students failing their exams. One of the students recorded a video of the incident, which shows the teachers being held by a tree with a red rope surrounded by a group of agitated students in the school uniform, with one of them holding a stick. In the 59-second viral video, a student can be seen shouting, "I want to make this video viral. These people are only involved." the public should know. The students can be seen stating that the 10 students were failed because of the teachers did not mark them for the practicals. The teachers were released after the officials reached to the spot on receiving the information and were taken for the treatment. Speaking on the matter, the Block Education Extension Officer of Dumka's Gopikandwar village, Surendra Hebron, said that the officials reached the place of the incident. The students complained that they were given the fever marks in practical examinations and no explanation was provided by the teachers for the same. School teacher Kumar said that the incident took place after the students called the teachers on the pretext of holding a meeting. The students complained their results were spoiled, he said, adding that the teachers could not have been done anything in this regard. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.